Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So, today is Magical Day 18 of the Advent Calendar series, and I am so ready for it to slow down, please. There is literally a week until Christmas. That's scary and exciting all at the same time. There's so much left to do. But the Madam Glam elves have been busy, so I cannot wait to see what's in store for day number 18. Now, y'all, you know I put my detective glasses on, and this box, it is the perfect size for a pudding gel or a paint. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. Please let it be a limited edition baddie. Oh my days. Okay, from my lips to God's ears. Winter blue. This is definitely not something that you can get on the website. This is most definitely made for the calendar. I am freaking out. You already know blue is my charm sister color. It just make a mermaid proud. But this is a perfect icy blue gray. I cannot get over. She is so pretty. So I had to take out day 8, the fancy dancy application brush, because we're going to dip right into this pudding gel. Now, I love the consistency of pudding gel. Like, I already raved about it when we unboxed that stunning red. But I can't get over the fact, like, you don't have to worry about any flooding of the cuticles. Half the time, this is a one-coat baddie. Like, they are just so amazing to work with and so creamy and dreamy. It's actually really funny. Whenever I talk to my mom, she's like, do you have any more pudding gel reviews? I really love watching those videos. So Mom, this one is for you. I hope that you love it, because I am obsessed with this winter blue. It is so perfect for fall and winter. Oh, and imagine matte. Okay, so we finally, I'm so sorry for that excited squeal. Break speakers at that point. But I'm so excited because we have got such a beautiful color palette. We are going to be able to do all of the holiday nails. So stay tuned, because that holiday, as soon as you see the first set with the advent calendar come out, it's going to be an individual video that is also going to outline the Madam Glam giveaway for the channel hitting 1K, because I want to give back to you, and like, I wouldn't be where I am without you, my beautiful nail family. And the fact that, you know, all things Madam Glam goodies, I thought, what better way to introduce this giveaway. So you definitely have to watch that, because all of the rules and everything are going to be in that video. But I am so madly in love with this winter blue, and the application brush just had it hugging to the nail. I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video for day 19, because there's still so much magic left in the calendar to unbox. And I can't wait, because this is my favorite part of my day, spending it with you. I hope that you are having such a beautiful holiday season. I just want to just jump through the screen and hug you. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Of course, you know me, I'm never gone for too long. I also wanted to mention how darling this blue looked on these tapered stilettos. That was just a baddie. I can't get over how gorgeous that looked. And we are definitely going to have to do a whole night sky realness. Oh, I love you guys oh so much. And I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. This time for real. I'll see you in the next one.